Welcome back to our channel guys, TSInfo Technologies. Today we'll be talking about how to use the location services on iPhone 13. So starting off, we'll go to the settings, and in settings you have to scroll down and go to privacy and security. Under that, click on location services and again enable location services. So what this will do is it will enable the location services for all the apps and criteria that your iPhone needs to use the location. Apart from this, you can go ahead with location alerts, and here you'll have to enable show map in location alerts. So whenever you get an alert which is related to your location, it will be shown in the map using this criteria. Go back. Now if you want to know how you have to turn on the location services, that is also very simple. Just disable this and click on turn off, and all the location services for all the apps will be disabled. So moving on, I'll show you how we can set up the location services. So in order to do that, we just have to enable the location services, and all the options appear down below. So moving on, you can see if you click on maps, it will ask for access, location access. So you can choose any of the 4 options that are visible here. So I have chosen ask next time or when I share. So this will allow the location only when I give the permission at that moment itself. So now we'll see how we can track the device. We'll again go to privacy and security. And since we have already turned on our location services, we will click on tracking option here. So you can see that I have already enabled allow apps to request to track. This allows the various apps that we have installed in our iPhone that need access to our location. And so I have enabled this, and here you can see Anchor, Instagram and the printing app is using the location access. So that is why it is enabled here. We'll go back. Now, if you want to see which apps are using your particular location, for what reason, you can see it down below. For contacts, if you click it there, you can see that Instagram and WhatsApp is using your location. So these come under contacts because of course we use these apps to communicate with people. Apart from this, you can also go to maybe nearby interactions. I don't have anything under that. And maybe we can go and see under Apple Music. Okay, nothing under that too. Okay, so again, if we go to location services, we can now see how we can share our iPhone's particular location with the people. So click on share my location. Here go to find my iPhone, enable find my iPhone. So in order to enable find my iPhone, you have to log in with your Apple ID and password, and then this option is enabled, where if you ever misplace your iPhone or it is lost, you can find your iPhone with your Apple ID and you can find the exact location where it is. Also, if you enable Find My Network, this lets you locate the iPhone even when your iPhone is offline or in the battery saver mode, or even when it is switched off. And the last thing is Send Last Location. So when we enable this, what happens is that sometimes our battery gets critically low, and when we enable this automatically sends our iPhone location to Apple. So in case we are in some kind of danger or something related to that, this will help us find our location. We can go back now. Now, how can we send precise location? So here you can click on maps, and the app option of precise location is there. Once you enable this, you can share your precise location with, for example, when we book an Uber, they will get a precise location and they can come and pick us up. You can go back. Thank you for joining us in this video. Please like, share and subscribe TSInfo Technologies.